Welcome to today's video on the 5 most important things you must do upon arrival to the UK. This may apply to everyone, maybe mostly for skilled worker and or students. These 5 actions will make your process of adaptation to the UK much easier, so stay tuned till the end of this video. Before we dwell into today's topic, a quick intro. I am Yash Dubal, Managing Director at AY&J Solicitors. We are an SRA regulated legal 500 firm with over a decade in UK immigration, winning multiple awards, serving 4,000 plus clients and having 1,200 positive reviews. We are here to help you. So the first thing first is you need to collect your BRP. You will have to collect your BRP from the address you have entered on your application form. Generally, it's a post office. You have to collect before your travel vignette, which is on your passport, expires or within the 10 days of your arrival in the UK, whichever is later. We recommend collecting it as soon as possible. It's a physical proof your permission to stay in the UK. Number 2, register with the police. If you are required to register with the police, if you are coming from a listed country planning to stay in the UK longer than 6 months, and if you are older than 16 years, you will have to register with the police after arriving in the UK. You can check your vignette or approval letter to see if you must register. It will cost £34. You will be issued with a police registered certificate that you must keep for the duration of your stay. Number 3 is proving your immigration status by registering for a UKVI account. What is it and who is that for? It's for you to work in the UK. You have to prove right to work checks before you can start working with any employer, and also a landlord will also have to carry out right to rent check on you before you can start your tenancy agreement. So employers and landlords will make these checks online. In order to do this, they will need your date of birth and a share code, which is a 9-digit code unique to you that you can generate online. If you are required to send this code, you must register for an online UKVI account. Number 4, very easy, register with a doctor. If you are a skilled worker or student, you or your employer might have paid immigration health surcharge, which is giving you access to the NHS, National Health Services. You should register with your local GP surgery, so they can have your records and you can get medical assistance during your stay in the UK. 5th and final one is open a UK bank account. Opening a UK bank account is important as many employers will only pay your wages into a UK bank account. A UK bank account can also be needed to pay your day-to-day like mobile phones, contract, utility bills or rent or etc. So when you go to open your bank account, they will ask you for the proof of address and proof of identity such as your passport and BRP. You may want to make a note. There are a lot of digital banks like Monzo, Cash Plus, Revolut where you can open UK bank account without much hassle. So in this video, we have gone over 5 key things a migrant should do upon arrival in the UK. Doing these 5 steps quickly make your arrival in the UK much smoother and avoid potential problems in the home office and your day-to-day life. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to stay tuned on the UK immigration matters, please.